Your microwave is not just cooking food, it's just shaking the food molecules to its death, to its core. Let me explain. So, inside the microwave, there's a small device called magnetron, not the magnetron transformers. Anyways, this device sends invisible microwaves that shakes the food molecules million times. Obviously, we can't see it on our naked eyes. So technically, it's just cooking food by moving its molecules by friction. So it's not like oven where the food cooks outside to inside. It's way opposite, like inside to outside. That's why your pizza is scorching hot on the middle and then cold on the outside. There are some other foods like eggs, potato, and many more that we can't cook on microwaves. I'll make a video about it. Follow me for more.